Sup, what's good? Welcome back to Cactuzz Sound, your home for brutal, beautiful, and sometimes bad shit sound design tools. Today we're going full chaos mode with a library called Overkill by Rock the Speakerbox. And yes, this one's exactly what it sounds like. Blood, guts, gore, splat, snap, boom. I used it to redesign one of the most ridiculous battle scenes in That's New 2, and it turned into an absolute carnage symphony. Let's break it all down and see what's inside. And if you end up loving it like I do, you can grab it via the link below and get 15% off with the code Cactuzz15.
Sound speeding.
If you've been here before, you know the drill. I'm a big fan of Rock the Speakerbox. Their libraries always bring premium quality, tons of creativity, and a lot of personality. Overkill might be their most insane drop yet, and I mean that in the best possible way. Overkill is a gore and combat sound design library on steroids. Think brutal slashes, meat explosions, skull shatters, weapon hits, dripping textures, all in 24-bit 96 kHz clarity. It's split into three main parts. Construction kit: 2,653 sounds, 483 files. Building blocks: 384 sounds, 64 files. Design kit: 360 sounds in 60 files. That's over 3,300 sounds in total. Let's go over each of these and what makes them sick. Construction kit. This is the core of the library, and it's huge. You get both clean raw recordings and pre-processed layers, so you can build sounds from scratch or drop in fully designed hits that slap instantly. Subfolders include blood, gut, flesh, bone, texture, weapon. And yes, they recorded all this madness with high-end gear: Sanken CO100K, Sennheiser 8040, Lewitt LCT 540S, LOM geophone, and even a damn hydrophone for internal squelch detail. Building blocks. This folder is made for fast layering and workflow speed. You get 384 sounds, each broken into wet and dry versions across 4 categories: impact, whoosh, crack, tail. Perfect if you like to customize your gore hits step by step. Just grab a whoosh, add an impact, crack it with a snap, and trail with a tail. Done. Design kit. This is where Overkills gets surgical and cinematic. 60 files, 360 sounds, ready to drag and drop directly into your timeline. Split into stab, hit, cut, slam, crush, explode, and projectile impacts. All files are 24-bit 96 kHz waves, labeled and structured cleanly. Designed with dynamic range in mind, they can go from tiny tears to earth-shattering slams. Multiple takes per file. You're not hearing the same exact squish every time. Whether you're working in film post, game dev, or play with music or sound effects, this stuff just slots right in. So I tested Overkill by redesigning a fight scene from That's New 2, and this library delivered absolute madness. Also, shout out to the file names. Some of them are just chef's kiss. Bone Voyage, Meatier Shower, Bad Piñata, Splatterday Night Fever. It's like the Tarantino of metadata. I legit laughed out loud while loading files during my redesign session. So, is Overkill worth it? Yes. If you're working on horror, hyper-violent animation, stylized trailers, brutal game sound effects, zombie comedies, anything where gore is part of the fun. It's not subtle, it's not classy, but it's hella effective. And again, if you dig it, use Cactuzz15 at checkout for 15% off on asoundeffect.com. That helps me out and saves you cash. Win-win. That's it for today's breakdown of Overkill by Rock the Speakerbox. Let me know in the comments what you think of the redesign and if you've got other libraries you want me to test or compare. Smash that like, sub to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.